All right, Math 7, here we go. We got two-step equations with decimals and fractions. Everybody's favorite. Everyone loves decimals and everyone loves fractions. Okay, maybe not, but we're going to make the best of it here. So, first problem right here. Dealing with this problem right here, you're going to notice we've got two fractions. I don't like fractions, so I'm going to multiply everything through by 2. I'm going to multiply this by 2, so the 2's will cancel. I'll multiply this by 2, so the 2's will cancel. And I'm going to multiply that by 2 as well. So everything gets multiplied by 2. Oopsie, I gave you the answer. Didn't mean to do that, but let's go up here. When I multiply everything by 2, the 2's cancel, so I'm left with a k. The 2's cancel, so I'm left with a plus 1. And 3 times 2 is 6. Then, next step, how do I cancel out the plus 1? Well, I subtract 1. Whatever I do to one side, I do to both. As I do that, I've got k equals 5, which is where that answer came from. All right, let's do the next one. Hey, we got fractions and distributing. So let's first get rid of that parenthesis by distributing. What is 15 times z? 15z, very good. And what is 15 times 1/5? If you don't know, take the 15 times 1, which is 15, and divide it by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And because there's that negative sign, it would be negative 3. So this one would be 12 equals 15z minus 3 at that point. At this point, how do we get rid of a minus 3? Well, we need to add 3 to both sides. So we will. That cancels this one. 12 plus 3 is 15. And now we've got a 15 in front of the z being multiplied by it. So what's the opposite of multiply by 15? Divide by 15. 15 divided by 15 is simply 1. There's our answer there. All right, third one. Hey, it's just decimals, no big deal here. So how do I get rid of the number that's being added to my a term? What's the opposite of add 0.5? Oops, gave the answer by mistake. It is subtract 0.5 from both sides. So the 0.5s will cancel on this side, and 4.5 minus 0.5 would be 4. It's got to be over here somewhere. There it is. So I've got a 0.25a left over from this side, and I've got 4 left over when I subtract the 0.5. Now, what's the number in front of the a that's being multiplied? 0.25. So what's the opposite of multiply by 0.25? Divide by 0.25. So we'll divide both sides by 0.25. 4 divided by 0.25 is 16, which is our answer. Hey, that's all there is to it, guys. Shouldn't be too terribly difficult. Check your answers with me on Google Hangouts. Have a great day.